Okay, I'm making a no yeast cheese, garlic, and herb bread. And these are the herbs that are going to go in there. It's 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of dill, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and 1 tablespoon of thyme. And to that, you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or more, depending on if you want it a little bit more wet than this. Stir that together. The dry ingredients has 2 1/4 cups of flour, and to that I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir that together, and then I'm adding a half a cup of cheddar cheese. And to that, 2 cloves of garlic chopped. 2 eggs. And then I'm going to add some buttermilk, which I made my own, which is, this is half and half, and apple cider vinegar. There. Stir this up. And it's called a quick bread because there's no yeast in it, so it's very easy, quick to make. This is already completely mixed. Now I'm going to put it in the pan, the loaf pan. And you're only going to put about maybe 1/3 of that, because you're going to come back and put your herbs down there. Come and just dollop some of the herbs down there. And then you put the rest. Okay, you're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Then you're going to take it out. Then you're going to cover it with foil, and you're going to bake it for another 20 minutes. And then you're going to insert a toothpick in it. Make sure the center comes out clean, that it's cooked. Okay, I just took it out the oven. I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to slice it. Okay, I took the bread out of the oven, sliced it, and I have some extra herb and olive oil with some garlic in there that you can dip your bread if you want. So if you like this recipe, like and subscribe.